Ben, what's the matter? What's the matter? You were awfully quiet. I come to check on you. Why? What happened? You got a little milk carton on your head? Was you trying? Was you trying to lick the milk at the bottom? Well, how you gonna get? How you gonna get out there, Papa? Come on, Ben, get it off. Ben, get that off your head. Benny, get it off your head, Ben. Papa, get off your head. Get it. Oh, it's really stuck on there. Papa, get off your head. Oh, crumb, it's really stuck. But this is too hilarious. Papa, get off. Ben, get off. Oh, boy. That wasn't fun.